Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows Update service missing from Windows services in Windows 11, 10. Windows Update service missing. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HK local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand services, delete wuauserv key. Open any browser, copy URL from description and paste it. Right-click reg file, click merge. Start Windows Update service. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.